My name is Om Mohak Raghuvanshi. I'm from India and I'm currently in New York City pursuing my Masters in Integrated Marketing at NYU. I stay at the EHS at the New Yorker residence and I have a great view outside my window of the Madison Square Garden. I have been living in New York for about a month now, and my favorite thing about living with EHS is the facilities they have, such as a beautiful common area with a stunning view of the Empire State on the 15th floor. They have pool tables, study rooms, kitchen, laundry room. Not only does the EHS offer such great facilities and fun events where you can get to know people, they also are located in such a good area. You're only a couple of blocks away from Times Square, from Empire State, Hudson Yards, and it's located in a very convenient area right across the street from Penn Station, near all the major subway lines, so you can commute and get around the city really easily. What I like the most about New York City is it's such a fun city, such an engaging city. There's always something to do, and it's a great place to be if you're in college or a recent graduate, where you can network and land a good job and the job of your dreams after you're done with your education. Thank you.